Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Java Classified. In today's video, we will explain about the Jenkins introduction. So let's talk about the basic part of the Jenkins, like what is Jenkins. So Jenkins is a open source software. It is used for the automation purposes. It also provides the continuous integration and continuous delivery. We can also say that it is provide CI/CD integration. And Jenkins used technology is Java. Jenkins written in Java, and it support on the various platform like Windows OS, Mac OS, Linux as well. Jenkins provides the automates software build, test and deployment workflows as well. Let's talk about the history and features of the Jenkins. Basically, Jenkins is originated as Hudson by Sun Microsystem. It is renamed in 2011 after a community fork. Jenkins maintained by the Jenkins community and CD Foundation. Let's talk about the key features of the Jenkins. Jenkins provide the 1800 plugins. By using these plugins, we can create the build, deploy the build, and we also generate the reports as well. And it is Jenkins also provide the Jenkins pipeline. In the Jenkins pipeline, we need to create the some steps for creating the build. Like stage 1, we need to write the cleaning the code and then installing the code, generating the report. After that, if we are using the Docker, then creating the Docker images as well. So that plugins are used and also write the steps in the Jenkins files. It is also provided the master agent architecture. It is also supported the multiple platform like Windows OS, Linux and Mac as well. Let's talk about the Jenkins and other CI tools. So let's talk about the GitHub CI tools. GitHub CI tools integrated with the GitLab and it provide the fewer plugins. And let's talk about the GitHub Actions. GitHub Actions integrated with the GitHub. And another one is a Circle CI tools. It is a cloud-based CI tools and it is a YAML configurations tools. Last one is a Jenkins. Jenkins basically self-hosted, flexible and highly customizable tools are there. So based on our requirement, we can go through the particular CI tools. In the current market industry is using the Jenkins for CI/CD integration. Now let's go to the Jenkins architecture. Jenkins provided the two component. One is Jenkins master. It is also known as a master control node. It's provide the manages of the UI, jobs and plugins installations as well. And another component is a Jenkins agent. Jenkins agent basically execute, builds, test jobs and create the builds as well by using Jenkins agent node. So in this video, we have explained the theory part of the Jenkins. In upcoming video, we will explain about how to install the Jenkins in the Windows because we are using the Windows right now. For the other operating system like Mac OS and Linux, we will explain after that completing the session of the Windows Jenkins installation. In next video, we will provide the Jenkins installation in the Windows. So thank you for watching my video. If you like my video, you can subscribe my channel so that you will get the further update. Thank you.